answer, baby. Let's go.
So the Rams trail for only the second time this season. First quarter of week 4, 7-3 Arizona. After the Colts took a brief lead, Matthew Stafford marched his Rams down the field for a go-ahead touchdown. Let's see if he can do it again here in Inglewood. From his own 25, third offensive drive. Cooper Kupp in motion from the right slot. They'll run Henderson through the right side. He's got a lane up the middle. Steps through a tackler at the 30, and he climbs to the 40 with 15 yards. Stafford is 2nd and 8 from his 42. Throws quickly left side. Tyler Higbee working in his chains at the left sideline. He's got a new set of downs now at the Arizona 49, and he'll run Henderson left side. Barrels through one Cardinal tackler.
Hell yeah!
Right back to Henderson. Weaves out to the right side. He's got a lane. The 30 and out of bounds at the 25. Henderson with 15 more.
Let's go! Let's go!
After falling behind Arizona 7-3, Rams working for their first touchdown of the day. Play action. Stafford rolling to his left. Still trying to find a target. He whips one to the end zone. Caught for a touchdown. Matthew Stafford takes the Rams down the field in 9 plays for a go-ahead touchdown. Van Jefferson.
Hey, that's the way to stay alive, baby. That's the way to stay alive, hey.